No, no, no. Where is A? No. No. Where is A? Yes, A for apple. Where is B? Yes, B for ball. Where is our C? C for cat. Yes. Let's find out D. Where is our D? Yes, here is our D. D for dog. Where is E? Yes, E for elephant. Where is our F? F. Where is our F? Yes, F for fish. Let's find out G. G for goat. Where is our H? Yes, here is our H, and H for horse. I. Here is our I for ice cream. Yay! Where is our J? J for joker. Oh, it fallen down. Yes, J for joker. Now let's find out K. Yes, K. K for kite. Where is our L? Yes, L for lion. No. Yes. Where is our M? Yes, here is our M. M for monkey. Yay! Where is our N? Yes, here is our N, and N for nest. O for orange. Where is our P? Yes, I found my P. And P for papaya. Where is Q? Yes, here is our Q. Q for queen. Where is our R? Yes, R for rabbit. Where is S? Yes. No. S for sun. Where is our T? T is missing. Let's find out. Where is our T? Yes, T for tiger. Where is our U? Yes, U for umbrella. Where is our V? Yes, V for violin. Wow. Now W. W for watch. No. Yes. Now let's put X. X for xylophone. This is pink color. Y. Y for yak. Now the last Z. Z for zebra. No. Yes, Z for zebra. Our ABCD is completed. Bye bye. Meet you in next vlog.